Alright, what's up everybody? Another day, another video tour. So today I'm here in the city of Las Vegas, in the southwest of the Las Vegas Valley, just west of the 15, right next to Silverado Ranch. We are less than probably about, I would say about 15-20 minutes to the airport here. And let me adjust this gimbal here. Give me just a second. Here we go. Let's make this a little bit more straight for you guys. Here we go. So, as you can see, this is a corner lot here at the end of this cul-de-sac. The streets are very wide. This neighborhood right here consists of about 58 single-story homes here in this gated community. These homes, you're going to notice that the lots are about a quarter of an acre. So it's a pretty decent size here. And some of them may have RV parking. Some of them may have a casita as well in the back. Now, this home that we are going to be looking at today, the asking price on this home is $1,050,000. It was built in 2005. It is 4,275 square feet, 5 bedrooms, and a den. A total of 5 bath, 3-car garage. Not bad. So let's take a look here. As you can see, the 3-car garage with the stamp stone here on the concrete here. What I like about this, it's a lot better than your average paver stones. I love the stack stones here. And take a look at the eaves. The eaves, you do have a 1-foot eave with LED lights underneath. Again, this is a corner lot here. In the southwest, what you're going to notice, there's a lot of land here, and a lot of developers will come out here to build these type of homes. Now, as you can see, we do have an outlet here, which is really nice for your Christmas lights. Nice entryway. Love the stonework here. The sun exposure is going to be on this side here. And what's nice about this home, you do have a beautiful pool. Let's go on inside because it is a little bit hot today. 117 degrees, they were saying. Now, as we come in to the French doors, so you can see it's a little bit dark here because of the old school LED lights, actually the recessed lighting here. But then as you can see, we do have some tall ceilings. So as we come in, we have 18 by 18 on the porcelain tile. Then you have this little step down here. It is a little bit dark. I do apologize. It is what it is. Now this home, for the price, I think it's a great deal. Now let's take a look here. On this side of the house, we have the master with the master retreat, or the primary with the primary retreat. The texture that we have is going to be the skip trowel texture, 6 inches on the baseboard. You got the brown carpet here, and as you can see on this one, they did not added the 4-can lights. Here's your retreat. Let's go into the retreat here. I don't understand why is my gimbal is not leveled here. Okay, here you go. So you can create a little library here or whatever you want to do. Bringing it back this way. Let's see here. Make a little bit of adjustments. Here we go. You got your alarm system right there. Let's take a look here. We have closet. Closet's a little bit dark here, but as you can see, there's a bunch of built-ins. I don't know if you guys can see that. Get your thermostat here. Here's another walk-in closet. Now this is going to be dark, so I do apologize. And across the hall here, we have our water closet and some counter space. And here's our master. Look at that. Definitely has a lot of potential here. You got 36 inches on the countertops. You got the Corian cast iron sink and the brushed nickel. And on this side you have the makeup. So the ladies, my lady's gonna be on this side. The gentleman's gonna be on this side with the center deep tub. Look at that. Just for 2. Now what I like about this one actually wraps around here, but then you have this little shower here with the step down. Got the bench. This is all Corian. But I mean, if you're gonna do this, What I would have done was just blasted this whole thing and make this whole thing one shower. I mean, you still can do that if you wanted to. Okay. I don't know what's up with this gimbal, but it just feels like it's just not straight. And it feels like my zen is off. I don't like that. All right, let's go out of the primary here. Do the French doors. And this is like a little bit unique. They cut this off here. I'd probably leave this completely open, but it looks like there's a little nook there. But right across here, you have this little step up. And technically, this would have been your formal dining, it looks like. But apparently, I could not get the light switch on. Maybe it's up here. There we go. But what you see right here, the daylights, these are actually skylights, which is really nice. So it looks like what you would do is put your dining right over here. Down this way, we have a bedroom, but this bedroom is actually considered a gym here. And here's why. It could be a bedroom, but they put a mirror here and also your closet here. So this could be a room if you wanted to use it as a room. One thing that I would probably do, because this is the front of the house and this is the side here, I would actually have a door here, make this into a casita, right? Or just for guests, so that way when they come, they don't come through the front door. Here's your half bath, nice pedestal sink, and water closet. And it's a pretty decent size. What do we have here? Storage. Come along this side, we have another coat closet. I know it's dark, guys. I hate when that happens, but wait, I gotta show you guys the pool. So we have washer, dryer, the sink, and 42 upper cabinets, which is really nice. And you have 2 skylights in here, which is perfect. And take a look at this. You have your line set for your, what do you call? Refrigerator. Yeah, so your refrigerator goes there. But this is unique. This takes you out to the side of the house. All right. Well, actually, the garage. I'm sorry. 3-car garage. Purification system. Storage. And that takes you outside of the garage there. But let's go back inside. So this hallway takes you down to the other bedrooms down that way. However, here we go. Light this thing up a little bit better. But we're going to come back this way so that way you can get your bearings. Okay, we're going to go this way here. And I got one of my agents that called me. It's very important, but I try to finish up this video. So we got a junior suite. Let's take a look at this. Bam! Cast iron tub. Corian backsplash. 30 inches on the sink there. 10-foot ceilings. 2-tone paint. Looks like your TV is going to go right there. We do have our walk-in closet. Now this is a pretty large walk-in closet here for a bedroom like this. Here's our bathroom. Now this bathroom is going to be a little bit unique. 30 inches on here. Cast iron tub, same thing. This door takes you out to this bedroom here that I'm going to show you. Let me back on up here so that way you guys can see what all this looks like. Get your linen closet. Okay. Now let's come down this hallway here. So here's that one bedroom. Now I know it looks dark. It's because of these dang light bulbs. That's why I prefer the daylights. Now that's the bathroom door that I was going to open, okay? So this is a pretty decent size too as well. If you guys want the measurements of this property, I'm going to have a link in the description below. Also, when you click that link in the description below, this takes you back out to the family room here through this door. When you click on the link in the description below, you can also do the aerial view too as well. So that way you can kind of get your bearings and see where this property is located on the map. It's right next to Costco's. You got Smith's and all that stuff. So it's conveniently located. This right here is going to take you out to the back of the house. What's great about this is that while you're swimming, you don't have to trample through the house. You can come here to use the bathroom. Okay? Which is perfect. Here's your walk-in closet over here. Okay? Now we can literally come across this hall here right into the main living, but we're going to come back here because, again, I want you to get your bearings. Now let's head back down this way. So remember, this was actually the front of the home here, right? So here we go. Coming through here. Let's get into the kitchen. So now we are in the kitchen. So as you can see, we have the Viking package appliances. All washer, dryer, and all the appliances are included. Nice backsplash. Cook countertops here. Definitely in great condition. Looks like you have some LED lights underneath the cabinets. Let's take a look what kind of cabinets we have. Dovetails here, fast closing cabinets. Okay. I love the tray ceiling all the way around. That's kind of cool. Very unique. Then you got this nice little peninsula here and over here too as well. Got the stainless steel dual basin. This one's a little bit smaller. Let's see what we have here. Coming into the pantry. Pantry is a decent size. And over here, we have our built-in refrigerator. Let's take a look. Bam. The thing about these refrigerators, when you go wider, then you're losing depth space. Here's your computer desk here. And this would be like a nook right here. I don't know. I would probably get rid of this light, blow out this wall here. I don't know. Let me know. Would you blow out this wall? I mean, I would. Then I would probably also add a sliding door here as well. I would open all this up. Let's take a look at your family room. Looks like you have surround sounds. You got the built-ins here. You have the tray ceiling, which is really nice. Ceiling fan. You have the speakers 5.0 on here. Oh, look, you have a doggy door. You got the fireplace, which is really nice. Now let's go outside because this is where the money's at right here for $1,050,000. Let's go through these French doors here. Cover patio. So you got this beautiful cover patio. Wow, look how large this lot is. This lot right here is 17,860 square feet. Here's that the door to that bathroom there. A lot of vegetation, which is great. Here's your pool pump. So let's take a look on this side here. You don't get too much homes like this now with a diving board. That's right. This is a very deep pool. Look at that. Gorgeous, right? Right here you got your little bench where you can just sit down. Jacuzzi on this side. Now, let me show you this right here. You got the synthetic grass. You got your basketball court for the kids. You got a built-in soccer. And you got your batting cage as well. You got the solar for the pool. You got this little landing where you can just sit down right here and chill in the pool. Come up a couple stairs. We have a nice cooling deck. As you can see, we have a jacuzzi that fits 12. And take a look at this. Isn't this gorgeous? That's what I'm saying. If you guys are interested in this property, HOAs, believe it or not, $87 a month. If you guys are serious about this home, earnest money deposit is $15,000. That's right, $15,000. I'm gonna have a link in the description below for more information about this property. We definitely would love the opportunity to earn your business. If you have not had a chance to subscribe to this channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Other than that, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, and have a blessed day.